What if you lost your job tomorrow? How would you pay your bills? For most people, the answer is terrifying because they rely on a single paycheck. But what if I told you that starting today, you could build 3 streams of income from scratch even with no extra money right now? In this video, we'll break down the exact steps to build 3 realistic and sustainable income streams, even if you have no business experience, no fancy skills, and no huge savings account. Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal the #1 mistake most beginners make when trying to build passive income and how to avoid it. Welcome to Money Blueprint, where we make financial freedom simple, practical, and powerful. If you're ready to take control of your money and build wealth one smart move at a time, you're in the right place. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss out on strategies to grow your income and build a life of freedom. The reality of one paycheck living. According to recent surveys, 63% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. That means most people have no backup plan, no safety net, no room to breathe, and when job loss, health issues, or inflation hits, it's a financial disaster. That's why building multiple streams of income isn't just smart, it's essential. The 3 types of income you need. Let's simplify it. 1. Active income. You trade time for money, like job or freelancing. 2. Semi-passive income. Requires upfront work, then ongoing income with maintenance, like digital products or content creation. 3. Passive income. Money that works for you with little to no daily involvement, like investments or royalties. Your goal isn't to replace your job overnight, but to slowly stack income streams like building blocks. Start with what you know, either freelancing or service-based work. If you're starting from scratch, begin here. It's the fastest way to start earning extra income. Service-based work can include graphic design, writing, virtual assistants, transcription, social media management, data entry. Where to offer your skills: Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, LinkedIn, Facebook groups. You don't need to be an expert, just one step ahead of someone else. Pick a service and offer it for free or cheap at first to build reviews. Alternative: part-time gig or side hustle. No special skills? No problem. Try Uber or Lyft, DoorDash or Instacart, TaskRabbit, pet sitting or babysitting, cleaning or moving services. While these aren't scalable long-term, they're perfect for building capital to fund other streams of income. Set a clear income goal. Example: goal: earn $300 per week from freelancing. That's $1,200 a month, or $14,400 a year. That alone is a full income stream. Create and sell a digital product. This is one of the most powerful ways to earn income in your sleep. Examples: ebooks, online courses, Notion templates, Canva templates, printables, photography presets, resume kits, or business starter guides are the platforms. Gumroad, Etsy, Teachable, Payhip, Shopify. You build it once, and it can sell 24/7. Start a YouTube channel or blog. Yes, it takes time, but the income potential is massive. Monetization options: ad revenue, affiliate links, sponsorships, selling your own products. You don't need millions of views, just an audience that trusts you. Start affiliate marketing. Beginner-friendly. Promote products you already use and love and earn commissions. Examples: Amazon Associates, Share a Sale, ClickBank, Partner Stack. Referral programs for software like Canva, Notion, or hosting services. Promote via YouTube, Instagram, blog, email newsletter. TikTok focus on niche products with decent commissions. Don't just spam Amazon links, solve problems. Dividend stock investing. This is where your money starts to work for you. How it works. You buy shares of a company, for example, Coca-Cola or Apple. They pay you a piece of their profit each quarter called a dividend. Over time. With reinvestment, this income grows. Use platforms like Robinhood, M1 Finance, Fidelity, Charles Schwab. Start small. Even $50 to $100 month into dividend stocks can build serious wealth long-term. Real estate. With or without buying property, you don't need to buy a house to get into real estate. Options. Real estate investment trusts. Buy real estate stocks and earn dividends. Crowdfunding platforms like Fundrise or Realty Mogul. Rental arbitrage. Rent a property long-term, then list it on Airbnb. Long-term goal. Own a rental property that produces positive cash flow. Automated investing apps let robo-advisors handle the details. Acorns. Betterment. Wealthfront. Set it up once. Automate a weekly or monthly deposit. Watch your passive income grow. Be willing to start small. Don't get discouraged if you only make $20 your first week. That's proof of concept. Small money becomes big money when you stay consistent. Stay curious, not comparable. High-income individuals constantly. Read. Experiment. Fail fast. Try again. What skill can I learn in 30 days that someone would pay for? Set time blocks every week. You need focus time to build. Example: 2 hours per week freelancing, 1 hour per week building digital product, 1 hour per week research and investing. That's only 4 hours a week to change your financial future. Example 1. Amanda, teacher by day, creator by night. Active, teaches full-time. Semi-passive, sells lesson plans on teachers pay teachers. Passive, invests $300 every month into dividend ETFs. After 1 year, her side income equals 40% of her teaching salary. Example 2. Kevin, side hustler turned business owner. Active, did DoorDash on weekends. Semi-passive, built a blog about gig economy. Passive, created an ebook that now sells monthly on autopilot. Now he's full-time self-employed. Example 3. You, starting from scratch, your first $100 from a side hustle, reinvested into Canva Pro. You build templates, sell them on Etsy. You earn $500. You buy dividend ETFs. That's the wealth flywheel in action. What to avoid? Here are some of the beginner mistakes. Mistake number 1. Trying to do everything at once. Focus on one stream until it earns $500 a month, then scale or add another. Mistake number 2. Waiting until you're ready. You learn by doing. Your first product won't be perfect. Launch anyway. Mistake number 3. Spending instead of reinvesting. Use early income to fund tools, ads, and growth, not luxury. Mistake number 4. Quitting when it gets boring. The magic happens after most people give up. Keep going. Most people live life with one income, one plan, and one backup. That's risky, but you can. Diversify. Stabilize. Grow multiple income streams. Take control of your money. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about buying your time back, one stream at a time. Start where you are. Use what you have. Build something meaningful. Comment below. Which income stream are you building first? Let's encourage each other in the comments. If this video helped, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss another blueprint to financial freedom. Check out our video how to budget and save money on any income for a clear saving strategy to fund your next stream of income. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial, legal, or investment advice. Always do your own research and consult a qualified professional before making any financial decisions. All opinions expressed are personal and for general informational purposes only. 3 income streams isn't a dream, it's a plan. You can build them step by step, even from zero, and create the kind of financial peace most people never experience. Because when your money works for you, you're free to live, give, and grow on your terms. Thanks for watching Money Blueprint. See you in the next video, where we keep making money practical, powerful, and possible.